There are a few different ways to deliver any large-scale training program like this. If you're trying to deliver a consistent message across a large organization or a geographically dispersed organization, it can get expensive quickly to pay an outside facilitator or an outside company to send folks to all these different locations and deliver training session after training session after training session. So for that reason, some organizations like Versity will do the pro-con analysis and decide that training internal folks to deliver that content is more efficient. The other advantage to a train-the-trainer model is you can take folks within your business that have the expertise, the context knowledge, so the knowledge of the business and the culture and the real customer and donor and employee stories, and be able to weave those in to the training that's being delivered.
We had approximately 25 different staff level and leader level participants who were going to be facilitators for this program. They all had really different levels of experience with facilitation, so it was really important to level set expectations and build a pre-work campaign for these facilitators. The pre-work campaign was about 8 weeks long and dove into a lot of different competencies for how to most effectively run a classroom. How do you handle classroom management? How do you set up a classroom? How do you prepare for participants coming in? How do you reinforce concepts as you continue throughout? And how do you answer some of the really tough questions that participants can come up with? So when participants went through this as facilitators, they came in to train the trainer really well prepared and in the right mindset to learn.
We also spent a lot of time focusing on preparation for ourselves because as the instructors building this and leading the pilot and the boot camp, we needed to be the ideal role models, demonstrating for folks some of the best practices for delivering a course like this. The build of the Train the Trainer boot camp is really important, and the approach that we took was a combination of modeling what we'd like to see done in the classroom and then practice and individual or peer coaching time. And so we would basically rotate back and forth between these two models, with myself or Liz delivering content in front of the group, answering questions, and then pivoting to small group work where each instructor candidate got up and presented or tried it and then got feedback from their peers. A big part of a successful boot camp like this is managing the energy level of participants, and this team did an excellent job of keeping their energy high over the course of 5 days of intense training.
For more information on our customized programs, visit us at focustrainingpro.com.